All right, we have some metal siding going up on this barn dominium. And one thing people don't keep in mind here is you have the prevailing winds. When you do, you always want to keep your seams overlapping and with the prevailing winds in mind. So what we have here is, I'm looking for the next seam. So right here, this is the seam. The wind's going to be coming from the right on the prevailing winds. Prevailing wind means the most common. So we want our seam to block the direction that the wind's going to come. That's about it. We'll fill in most of the screws in a little bit, but right now we're just trying to get some stuff done.